What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech and in this video, we are doing a gaming review of Xiaomi Pad 5. Before we start, here are the specifications. This comes with 10.95-inch 2.5K resolution display with 120Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness. For performance, it comes with Snapdragon 860 with Adreno 640 GPU. It has 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Powering all this is 8720 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging. As for audio, it comes with quad speakers and has Dolby Atmos support. Here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is at 55%. AC is running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 25 degrees. Let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is showing from 29 to 30 degrees. On the back, it is the same, 29 to 30 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Call of Duty. Now you can swipe from the edge to access Game Assistant, and from here you can tweak some settings to enhance the gaming experience. Now let's look at graphics. Very high graphics and max frame rate are the highest settings available, so I'll be playing in that, and then switch to lower settings. Now let's get to the game.
Targets in sight. Headshot. Get down, sniper. We've taken the lead. Enemy down.
Visuals are good and colors are also nice. Details and controls are also smooth. And while playing, I couldn't notice any lag.
Enemy contact. UAV recon ready for deployment.
Now let's check the temperature. On the front, it is from 32 to 33 degrees. On the back, it is the same, 32 to 33 degrees. Now the tablet feels slightly warm. You can't notice unless you look for it. It's been a total of almost 25 minutes and the battery came down to 51%. So for 25 minutes of gameplay, the tablet consumed 4% of battery, which is great. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is from 32 to 33 degrees. On the back it's fluctuating from 34 to 37 degrees, especially near camera area. Tablet feels warm, especially near the camera area, but overall heat management is pretty good. Now I'll use the tablet for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 405 photos in those 3 minutes, which is pretty great, especially for a tablet. Anyway, there is no throttling going on. That's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Xiaomi Pad 5. It has good performance, great display with 120Hz refresh rate, good battery life with 33 watts fast charging support. It doesn't come with headphone jack, but comes with great quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Overall, it was pretty good for gaming. What do you think about this tablet? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. And I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.